we give you the best quick service places to eat in every park. Come along with us. Welcome back to the Carousel of Douglas. I am just going to tell you that it's been a long time since I've done one of these. I have had so much park footage and so much great times. Thank you very much for all of you for watching. There are going to be some major changes to the channel coming up, and I'm going to bring you along with it. I'm looking forward to it, but you are not here for that today. You are here because you want to save money at quick service restaurants. So we're going to give you 4 places, one in each park, where you can get the best value for your money at a quick service restaurant. Here we go. Okay, the first thing I'm going to tell you is that you should mobile order. All of the restaurants I have chosen have the ability to mobile order. It makes your life go a lot faster. You don't have to wait in a long line. You can basically set when you want the food. You can even order it hours in advance so that you know it's ready to go. It's very, very simple. And all you have to do is pull it up in the app and do a quick order through that My Disney Experience app. I'm kind of showing you how it's going right there, probably ordering my favorite from Ronto Roasters. Okay, so in Animal Kingdom, we're going to talk about that first. There's one place we highly recommend, and that is Satu'li Canteen. Satu'li Canteen is set in the world of Avatar. It's back in Pandora, and it has amazing food. Amazing food. You can make these bowls that are just incredible. We actually recommend, for best value, is the chopped wood grilled chicken bowl. That one is their least expensive. It doesn't have the mix. Now, I prefer the one with the mix of meats in it, but if you want to keep a great value, get good protein, good flavor, I highly recommend that for $13.29. I also would say for the same price, if you really don't want to go for the bowl, that the cheeseburger pods, one of my favorite little snacks to have, is also an excellent meal. That meal is $13.29. Now, you can also just get one cheeseburger pod on the kids' meal if you're looking to have a little bit less, but I do recommend for an adult meal, either those cheeseburger pods or that wood-grilled chicken bowl. It is so good, especially when you can choose your base and choose your topping. Next, we're going to go to Hollywood Studios. In Hollywood Studios, there's really only one choice, and that's Ronto Roasters. I know everyone's like, what are you talking about? Here, I'm going to use my testimonial from my friend John Paul from a recent video that I just did reviewing that restaurant.
It's very good. It's one of those things that you're looking for something that's not too filling, but filling enough. Like when we decided to come here, I could eat, but I wasn't that hungry. But that kind of hit the spot, so I don't feel overfull and ready to go about my day.
You heard it here. It's good. As you can see, John Paul thought it was excellent. Those wraps are so good, and the meal is a reasonable price for what you get. It's $13.29. That number comes up a lot as like the kind of the butter zone of excellent value for your money. You get really good food. Make sure you get that peppercorn sauce on the side, and the Ronto wrap, totally worth the money. It'll fill you up. It'll taste great. You'll love it. Next, we're going to travel the world, but we're going to kind of stay in America. We're going to go to Epcot, but I'm going to tell you to go to Regal Eagle Smokehouse. Probably the best value for your money on property. Now, I do like Sunshine Seasons, but they don't have a lot of lower cost things that taste really good. Like their lower cost stuff is like their grab and go, and then they kind of have all these really fancy little dishes, lots of vegetarian options. So I'm not going to go with Sunshine Seasons. However, Regal Eagle Smokehouse has for $14.29 a Texas brisket sandwich. It is so good. That sliced Texas beef brisket sandwich is so good. It comes on Texas garlic toast. You can get a side with it, and there you go. So you're getting a lot of food for that $14.29. So I highly recommend going to Regal Eagle in Epcot to get a value for your money. Finally, we're gonna go to MagicKingdom. MagicKingdom has a number of quick service restaurants, but the one we actually recommend so you can get the best value is Pecos Bill's Tall Tale Inn. And in Pecos Bill's Tall Tale Inn, I actually recommend that chicken fajita platter. That chicken fajita platter comes with plenty of food. You get all the sides and sour cream, hot sauce from the station, but I would very much recommend that chicken fajita platter. I also would recommend the mixed green salad. The mixed green salad with chicken or pork carnitas is a really good value as well. That one's only $12.29 for the salad, and the fajita platter at $15.49 is the most expensive one on our list today, but you get so much food in that fajita platter, and it is so tasty. So there are two options. You can get that great salad for the lowest price on that menu for a good meal, or you can get a huge portion with that chicken fajita platter at $15.49. So I recommend those two options. Now, finally, my wife said that I had to make an honorable mention for dessert, and that's DoleWhip. She said you have to go to Aloha Isle, you have to get a DoleWhip, and just a DoleWhip in a cup is $5.99. And you get a fantastic little treat after you've had your quick service meal, and it's lovely. I personally prefer having DoleWhip mixed with the coconut, but you can do it a single serve of either flavor if you want. But regardless, that DoleWhip in a cup, $5.99. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that has been a really quick, where do I get the best value for my money? Hopefully I've been able to help you out, helped you save some money on your trip by showing you where you can get an excellent meal for a good value in Disney World, which is not easy to do sometimes. We hope that these tips and tricks have always helped you when you've gone along with us. Currently, we are filming some great new footage in the parks, and we're looking forward to bringing you along with us as we do that. But like we always say, we don't like to say goodbye because we're going to see you real soon. So we say, see you bye.